Did you know the flood wasn't Noah's story first? Long before Noah built his ark, Enoch received a vision of a catastrophic flood meant to cleanse the earth of its corruption. In his vision, he saw humanity falling deeper into sin, influenced by the teachings of the fallen angels or the Watchers. Violence filled the land, the Nephilim roamed freely, and the cries of the oppressed reached heaven. God revealed to Enoch that a deluge would wash away the corruption, sparing only the righteous. Enoch warned humanity, but his message was ignored, just as the heavens prepared for judgment. This wasn't just a story of destruction, it was a second chance for humanity to start anew.